Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on WPBay channel. So let me show you the latest update for WPBay, as if you are a new seller who wants to migrate from Envato to WPBay, who wants to migrate his plugins or her plugins or themes to WPBay or even scripts, this is the right update for you. So you create simply a seller account and you will get access to the seller dashboard where you can click new product upload. And the latest update for WPBay interface is that you can import data for this directly from your Envato items. So for this, click import from Envato button from here. Here you will need to add your Envato Personal Token. To get one, you can click here. You need to sign in to your Envato account, click create a new token at the bottom, and here add the token a name. And here you will also need to check some checkboxes. So view and search Envato sites, view the user's Envato account username, this is required, email address not required, account profile details not required, financial history, purchased items, users item sale history not required, verify purchases, list purchases, verify purchases, the user, add item favorite, public private collections, user statement, transaction, total number of subscribed, total number of items. So this is also required. Show the total number of items available on Envato Market. So you will need the first two, and also you can add the user's account profile details because this might be required. So you have the first two, the profile details and the number of items available on Envato Market. Click create token. This is the token we have. Copy it, paste it here, and click fetch items. So I have quite some plugins uploaded to CodeCanyon now, and this will allow me to select any of the 120 plugins I have uploaded to CodeCanyon. So let's say I want to upload to WPBay the AIMogen Pro plugin. So for this I select it, I click fetch items, and this allowed me to automatically fill up the title, the description. The changelog was automatically parsed from the description, the inline image, the screenshots. Only 4 screenshots are available when importing from Envato. If you want to add more screenshots, you can click change and upload your own screenshot files. Also, there were imported the preview URL compatible with WordPress version, which was added also to CodeCanyon listing, the marketplace files included, the tags, and also the pricing. So all you need to add, besides of what the importing automatically added, you need to add the installable zip file, you need to add the documentation, and select a plugin category. So this is all you need to do. Basically, the Envato importing did all these things excepting the zip file, documentation, and category. Everything is done for you. You can click submit product for review after you added the zip file, as I mentioned, the documentation type, which can be external URL or upload a zip, and you can select a category. Category cannot be parsed one-to-one from Envato to WPBay because categories differ and you need to select it manually. Okay, so as you can see, importing from Envato to WPBay is simple. If you want to remove your token, because your token remains safe here, so you can click fetch items again, and to make the process streamlined. If you want to remove the token, you can simply click remove save token button, and the token will be removed from WPBay's memory. Okay, so this is the latest update. Let me know of the ideas you might have or any other suggestion. or node that you have for this or for other features from WPBay. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed these videos, and I hope you like WPBay. This is all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.